Chatterbox challenges, a fun way to learn Indonesian numbers. Step 1. Choose your template. Step 2. Cut out the square. Be sure to cut along the lines neatly, this will avoid problems later. Step 3. Make a halfway crease horizontally and vertically and then unfold. Use your nail to get a crisp crease, these creases will help guide the next few folds. Step 4. Lay the square print side down and fold the corners into the center. Get as close as you can without overlapping the crease lines you made in the last step. Step 5. Turn the square over and repeat the process, folding the new corners into the center. Remember to get as close as you can without overlapping the crease lines. Step 6. Turn over again and make another horizontal and vertical crease. These creases will help with the last pinch to pull the chatterbox into a usable shape. Step 7. Place thumb and next 3 fingers underneath the 4 colored flaps and pinch together. Step 8. Ayo bermain. Player A picks a color shown. Player B spells color as they move the chatterbox in opposing directions.
Pick a color.
Biru.
B-I-R-U.
Player A picks a number shown. Player B counts to that number as they move the chatterbox in opposing directions.
Pick a number.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, Player A picks another number shown. Player B unfolds the chatterbox and reads the challenge to Player A.
Pick a different number.
3.
Count to 10 by whispering.
Player A completes the challenge. And Player B supports Player A if they need it. Now swap over. Player B will control the chatterbox and Player A will complete the challenge.
Pick a color.
Merah.
Pick a number.
1.
1. Pick another number.
6.
6. Count to 10 while doing star jumps.
1, 2, 3.
Don't forget the most important step is to have fun.